Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is arithmetic progression. The day is 14, date is 14/7/2020, day is Tuesday, period first. What is arithmetic progression? We have given one series, that is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, where the first number of the series is known as the first term and D is the common difference. What will be the common difference? I will be telling you right now. See, the first term is A1, which is known as A also. It is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 6, A4 is 8. The first term, second term, third term, fourth term, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. They are going till nth term. What will be the nth term formula? I will be telling you later on, don't worry about that. Now D. How to calculate D of a series? A2 minus A1, the term which is next to the preceding term. A2 minus A1, that means 4 minus 2, 2. A3 minus A2, 6 minus 4, 2. A4 minus A3, 8 minus 6, that is 2. What I have observed, that D is same in all the cases. D is coming same in all the cases. That means D is the common difference and it is coming same in all the cases. Hence, the series given to us is in the form of an AP. Any series is in the form of an AP if its common difference is same. Please remember my words, keep my words with you. If any series having common difference same, then only it can be said the series in the arithmetic progression. Got it? D need to be the same. Now, first term is given to us, second term is given to us, third term is given to us, fourth term is given to us. But what to do if we have to find the terms of the series? When we have to find the term of the series, what we will do? Now see. This is the general term of an AP. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. If I'll put 1 on place of N, 1 minus 1 will become 0. 0 into D, 0. What is left? A1 is equal to 1. Now see ups. See the up, A1 is equal to A. Now put N is equal to 2. That is A plus 2 minus 1 into D is 1D. So A plus 1D. Now A2 is A plus 1D. A3 A plus 2D. A4 A plus 3D. That means the moment we will be putting the terms A1, 2, 3 in place of N, we will get a value like A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A plus 1D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A4 is equal to A plus 3D, A5 is equal to A plus 4D and so on. And this is the nth term of an AP. Got it? One of the very, very important concept. Now coming to the exercise now. Exercise 5.1. Leave first question right now and start with the second question. Write first 4 terms of an AP. What we have to find? We have to find the first 4 terms of an AP when A and D is given to us. Now A and D is given to us, we have to find the first 4 terms of an AP. Just now I have told you, these are the terms of the AP. Come back. Now A1 is A, that is 10. A2, how to calculate A2? A2 is equal to A plus 1D. A2 is equal to A plus 1D. That means 10 plus 1 into 10 because A and D are 10 and 10 in this question. So 10 plus 10, 20. A3, A plus 2D, 2 into 10, 20. 10 plus 20, 30. A4, A plus 3D, 10 plus 3 into 10. 10 plus 30, that is 40. A5, A plus 4D, 10 plus 4 into 10, 40. 10 plus 40, 50. Now you can do the remaining question of this particular question, that is question number 2. Do all the parts in your notebook. Now come to question number 3. For the following AP, find the first term and the common difference. It's a very simple question. We have to find the first term and the common difference in all the parts. The question is given to us 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Got it? As I've told you, the very first term in the series is known as A. The very first term in the series is known as A. That is A is equal to 3. How to calculate D? 1 minus 3. That is minus 2. Remember, you have to subtract the next term to the previous term. Got it? 1 after term subtract the before term. That is 1 minus 3 comes out to be 2. Third part I have done it for you. 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3 is the question. A is 1 upon 3. As I have told you, the very first term is the AP of any series is A. Now calculate D. 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 comes out to be 3 is LCM. 5 minus 1 is 4. That is 4 upon 3. Got it? A and D we have calculated for you. Now see question number 4. The last question of this particular exercise. Which of them are AP? If they form an AP, find D and write the 3 more terms. Now please understand the question first of all. They have asked which of them are AP. First of all, how you will judge that any series is an AP? By calculating its D only, by calculating the common difference. The moment you will calculate the common difference, if the common difference comes same, the given series is in the AP. If the common difference did not come same, that series will not be in AP. And one more thing they have added into the question, and write 3 more terms. If it is an AP, write 3 more terms of that particular question, of that part. Now see the first part, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now A is 2, calculate D. 4 minus 2, 2, very good. But 8 minus 4 is 4. Here common difference is not same. No, it is not an AP as D is not same. You will write like this. Got it? Now see the 7th part, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and dash, dash, dash. Now A is 0, D is, how to calculate D? Minus 8, subtract minus 9 and minus 4. Minus will become plus. Minus 8 plus 4 comes out to be minus 4. See here also. D, minus 4 minus 0 comes out to be minus 4. Here, the common difference is same. That means it is an AP. It is an AP. Now in this particular question, A1 is given to us, A2 is given to us, A3 is given to us, A4 is given to us. Yes or no? You have to calculate A5, that is A plus 4D, A6, A plus 5D, A7, A plus 6D. Got it? Now please complete this particular exercise. Do it very carefully. God bless you all of you.